Hello, children. The more qualities you have, the better human you are. My children, the good qualities are like to being honest, punctual, working hard, responsible, and kind. So today we will discuss one of the good quality, honesty. Your chapter is based on this good quality. Honesty is the best policy, chapter 8. To be honest means that one should not tell lies, cheat, or steal. Honesty also deals with the way we conduct ourselves. It is easy to say everyone else does it, so why can't we? We often have this attitude when it comes to hide our wrongdoings in school tests, sports, and other forms of competitions. As such, we should remember that honesty alone can declare our actions righteous. So, let's read the story The Empty Pot. Long ago, there was a boy who lived in China. His name was Zioni. He loved flowers. He was a gifted child because he could make any plant grow. The emperor of China also loved flowers and spent much of his time in his garden. But the emperor was getting old and he needed someone to take care of his throne and to rule fairly over his empire after him. Since the emperor loved flowers, he decided to let the flowers themselves decide who would be the next ruler. The next day, the emperor took many children to his palace and gave each child one seed to plant. The emperor said, "Whoever comes back with the most beautiful flowers will succeed me as the emperor." When Gioni received his seed, he knew he would win. Zioni went home. He put the seed into a pot and filled it with rich soil. He watered it every day and made sure that the seed received a lot of sunshine. He was trying his best to make the sprout grow into a wonderful flowery plant. Days passed, but he did not see any growth in the seed. Zioni transferred the seed into a bigger pot and added richer soil. He carefully watered it and exposed it to sunlight. Still, nothing happened. Finally, Zioni put the seed into the best pot with the richest fertile soil. Zioni continued to look after the seed by giving it appropriate water and sunlight. Months passed, but still nothing happened. Nothing grew. Finally, the day came when all the children returned to the emperor's palace with their flowers, but Zioni walked in with his empty pot. Zioni's friends arrived with beautiful lilies, roses, and sunflowers. They thought that Zioni's empty pot was a joke. They asked, "Where are your flowers?" A tear slowly rolled down Zioni's face. Zioni wondered why didn't his seed grow. He had grown a lot of plants before. Zioni's father approached his son and said, "You did not do the best, I think. Take your empty pot and show it to the emperor." Zioni stood in the line to meet the emperor. When it was Zioni's turn, the emperor asked him, Why have you came here with an empty pot? Having a crying face, Zioni said, I planted the seed you gave me. I provided it the richest fertile soil and watered it every day, but it did not grow. The emperor smiled and said, I have found the new emperor. He is an honest boy. The emperor then spoke to the children. The seeds I gave to every one of you were roasted, thus they could not be grown. I don't know where all these flowers come from. Zioni is the only truthful person. Because of his courage and honesty, I revered him with my title, my kingdom, and all its beauty. So, kids, who is an honest person? An honest person is one who never lies, who never cheats or deceives others, who follows principles, who is trustworthy, who never steals, who has self respect. So, what value we get from this chapter or story? Never tell a lie, cheat, or steal, and remember that honesty is the best policy. So, children, be honest with everyone. Thank you. Have a nice day.